This is the OASIS News Organization. Oh no!
Welcome, O-Nos. Today's report is about burning tree stumps and brush. I'm doing it all in a dryer that I picked up junky on the streets of Dallas. Now here I'm dragging it over. See, I had burned one stump. Now I'm placing it over another little stump there. The oasis is 9 acres of cedar tree forest in Peacox County, Texas. And I have to be real careful when I'm burning brush, because that cedar, it can catch real quick, and I'm always down there by myself. I don't have a water hose all the way out where I'm at. This is at the world headquarters build site. And of course I don't have a fire extinguisher. So caution is the name of the game. I'm on a little slant right there. So I put those cinder blocks on the back so in case there's some wind that blows up when I'm not around, then it won't roll down the hill there down into the creek bed. Get my gloves on because those cedars can kind of stick you. So let's get started. What I'm burning today is I skinned these cedar trees up about 7 feet. So I can see what's on down the hill there. You know, I kind of get tired just looking at thick forest. So I cut all these off. Of course, all this is green, as you can see. So it'll be a little difficult to get it going, but if you have just the right amount of napalm, hell, you can get anything burned. Here I've got my little Ryobi circle saw here. I think it's a 5-inch job. I cut the limbs down because they got to be small enough to go in that front door of that dryer. So it's a little time consuming instead of just throwing it on top of a bonfire. But that little old saw does a great job. And in fact, it works good on 1-inch lumber, but if you try to use it on a 2x4, you can do it for a few cuts, but I haven't found it very useful on anything more than an inch. Well, let's get this fire started. That's my own brand of napalm there. It's 3 parts old gasoline and 1 part dish soap, liquid dish soap. That's it. And the reason I mix it that way is so that the gas isn't quite so flammable. And those folks that say, never put gasoline on a fire, well, water it down a little bit. You can use it. Because you know what, folks, I found out, a gallon of gasoline, right now it costs about $2.50 a gallon. But you get a quart of lighter fluid, and that costs $3 for a quart. 4 times 3 is 12. Gasoline's a lot cheaper than lighter fluid. Just an observation. Well, it's going to need a little help here. Let's pour a little bit more of my secret sauce on there. More napalm. This green stuff, you gotta doctor it along a little bit, but I got a fire going, and I ended up burning most of that mess. But something else that you gotta watch out for is that rim right around the door there. Well, it gets hot. So when you're sticking wood in there, don't touch that side, because I've burned myself 4 or 5 times. You know, it's funny. Well, if you burn your hand once on the stove, you'll learn not to do it. Hell, I still burn myself on the stove, and I still burn myself getting stuff out of the microwave. And there, see, that part right there, don't touch that. That's hot. Well, I try not to, but I don't know. I still screw up. I just love burning junk. I'm gonna make some other videos about burning stuff. So this is the idea about how to use an old dryer to burn tree stumps and how to burn all your brush. And when you first start, you need to burn your dryer. I suggest doing it at night to burn all the plastic off, because it puts out one hell of a black smoke. Voila! Today's report is dedicated to this fella right here, and there's not one single person, I'll bet a $10 bill, knows who he is. This crazy looking son of a bitch, he had a band, and his name is Arthur Brown. It's the crazy world of Arthur Brown. Now this old boy, he looked like that back in 1968. There's his band. And the album that he got, that I'm going to quote from, is The Crazy World of Arthur Brown. The song is Fire, and here's the lyrics. Fire! I am the god of hellfire, and I bring you fire. I'll take you to burn. Fire! I'll take you to learn. I'll see you burn.
Remember, Onos, world peace begins at home.
Arthur Brown was doing that in 1968, which was before David Bowie, before Alice Cooper, and way before Kiss. He was one strange cat. A man before his time.